Hey guys, today I want to share one of my favorite drills for increasing your striking power. This drill is specifically for trying to increase power for rapid, close-range straight punches. Now, we all know there's only two variables when it comes to producing force. One is acceleration, how quickly you can move your body, and specifically your arm, and the other is body mass, using more of your weight and putting that into the punch. So these drills, I think, are really helpful with giving you a way to investigate how much of your body are you using and how comfortable are you with it. Moreover, some of my best students credit this specific drill and these various stages with helping them bring their strikes to the next level. So let's get started. Stage one starts on the ground, and as you'll see, I'm wearing protective gloves. For a person who wouldn't need these, this drill's probably not for them. So let's just assume that you're gonna wear gloves. I'm gonna make two fists, and stage one is all about getting comfortable with body weight on my wrists and my fists. So I'm gonna put my two fists down on the mat, and then I'm gonna lie forward with weight on my knees. So I'm not on my toes yet, but rather on my knees. And from here, once I feel comfortable, I'm gonna bring one hand back to my fist while the other remains on the mat. And I'm gonna do about a dozen of these. This is stage one, and the goal again is to get comfortable with weight on your fists, since that's the striking tool. It could just as easily be palm strikes, guys, but I'm doing this for punches with a fist. Stage two is a progression. Here we're gonna put more weight onto our fists by lifting our knees off the mat and coming onto our toes. Now it's important that you keep your two fists in the middle of the area across from your own chest. From here now, I'll pull one arm up as I leave the other there. And I'm also incorporating body rotation. You can see that I'm twisting and allowing my hip to come forward. This is gonna be key to maximizing force transfer once I'm on my feet. This is stage two, and here we're trying to increase the weight. Okay, stage three is all about getting onto your feet. So now we're going to do the same drill we did in stage two, but now upright and on our feet. I'm going to separate my feet, bend my knees, and lean forward. For this, you could use any stationary object, a pole, a wall. We're not going to be punching. We're just going to be working on getting comfortable on our feet. So from here, I'm gonna pull one hand back to my face. The reason I'm doing this is because this is a close quarters striking exercise, and if I can touch my partner with a punch, they can certainly touch me. So from here, I'm gonna extend, pull the other one back, and twist. Twist, twist. Now if I miss, I should fall forward. Of course, we don't wanna fall forward and have an accident, but that's the drill. It's forcing me to use my body. Twist. Twist, twist. If you want more weight, increase the lean, bend the knees. 1, 2, 1, 2. This is stage three. Now we're at stage four, folks. Now I'm upright and I have a partner with a pad. Now you could have struck the object in stage three with a little more power, but maybe it wasn't an option. Like maybe it was a wall that wouldn't have stood the force of your strikes. So now I have a partner. I'm gonna put my two fists on the center of the pad. I'm gonna lean, and from here now, I'm gonna actually strike. I'm not yet in a guard or a fighting stance, but I'm gonna get comfortable using my body and striking. Again, if I wanna make this easier, bring the feet together, stand more upright. If you want to make it more difficult, lean in. This is stage four, and you can see your partner has to work on their stability as well. And now we're at the final stage, stage five. Now I'm going to modify my position into an actual fighting stance, and I'm going to make sure that I'm weighted on the front of my foot. So all my weight is on the balls of my feet and my toes. I have my knees over the front of my feet, and this is going to allow me to punch and not fall back. If my lower body doesn't have pressure in the forward direction, when I punch, I should go backwards. Okay, the way you remedy that is to put weight onto the front of your feet and think of pushing. Okay, so now I'll alternate punches for level 5, seeing if I can keep my partner moving backwards. And if he moves, I need to compensate and manage that distance by moving forward. So this is level 5. If you wanted to add another level, you could even allow your partner to move forward or back. And as a striker, you'd have to manage those direction changes and compensate, focusing on, again, making sure that the whole body's involved, forward pressure, and that you're maximizing your reach with your arm to guarantee that acceleration when you punch. Hope this was helpful, guys.